Okay, this is a distance equals rate times time problem. There's the formula that you're going to be using. Distance equal rate times time. We're told that the buses traveled at the same speed, so we can use one variable to represent the speed of each bus. So we'll let R equal the rate of each bus. And here we are at the station at 9 a.m. The westbound bus heads out westbound from the station, leaving at 9 a.m. And at 2 p.m., we're going to calculate the distance that that bus has traveled. Well, from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. is 5 hours. So we say the time traveling west was 5 hours. This is a little subscript, 2t sub w. And so since distance equals rate times time, the distance traveled by the westbound bus is rate times 5, or 5r. Over here, we have the eastbound bus leaving at 11 a.m., 2 hours later. And it travels till 2 p.m. when we're going to calculate the distance. So the time traveled by the eastbound bus is only 3 hours, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So this is 3 hours. So the distance traveled by the eastbound bus is rate times time, 3r. And we know that the distance of the westbound bus plus the distance of the eastbound bus is 352. That's how far apart they are. Since they're traveling horizontally, I can just add these distances together. If they were traveling maybe not eastbound and westbound, but at an angle, then we'd have to do something different. But since they're traveling away from each other on a horizontal line, this distance plus this distance equals 352. But we know that d sub w is represented by 5r. D sub e, distance traveled by the eastbound bus, is 3r. That has to give us a total of 352. If we solve that equation for r, 8r equals 352. Divide both sides of the equation by 8, and we'll have the speed of each bus. 8 goes into 35 4 times. 4 times 8, 32. Subtract 32. 8 into 32, 4. So there's the rate of each bus, 44 miles per hour. If you want to double check, the westbound bus traveled for 5 hours at 44 miles per hour. So that bus traveled for 220 miles. The eastbound bus only traveled for 3 hours at 44 miles per hour. So it covered a distance of 132 miles. And if we add those two together, we do indeed get 352 total miles, the miles apart. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.